So this is, my toothbrush was going wibble wobble.
All right.
Wibble, wibble, wobble, wobble. It wasn't doing what it was supposed to.
So this is Sonicare.
Yep.
Costco Sonicare. This is our second set of these we've had. The first ones lasted quite a few years, but that is not supposed to wobble around like that. It's
No, and
supposed
it feels really weird when you brush your teeth.
So we're going to try to take it apart and see if we can fix it.
I haven't seen that tool before. You have tools everywhere.
The older ones had a slot in here and you could kind of twist it and pop this out.
Oh. A magnifying glass?
I'm hoping as I work my way around, this will
Come out and not go back
pop
in.
out. But we're taking the approach that it's not working now, so
if we break
I
it,
can't do a whole lot of harm.
so we break it worse.
Looks like that's gonna. Oh yeah. Now, according to all of their theories, it should slide out. Doesn't want to.
Okay, try this again. Got your
Okay.
glasses.
All right. So
Got the,
I gave this a look-see with these glasses, and I believe we've got things down on the sides that are kind of holding it in there. I probably should have gotten a flashlight too, but
is there one in here?
I don't think so.
Well, I'm gonna back up and check the drawer. Yep. Actually, there's one in the drawer.
Well, that doesn't. So,
Got all kinds of good stuff in there.
yeah. So this is where I need my cameraman to actually be holding something.
How about I hold this?
No, you hold the light
Okay.
and the camera.
And I'm a camera woman, not a cameraman. And I gotta switch hands. Let's try it this way so I can see what you're doing.
So these two little tabs, you can take the light off and focus on the camera.
Okay.
These two little tabs click in the little plastic things right there. You can see this part has now pushed through, and
And it's lit up.
there's that. And I need the super magnifiers off and put these on. So the problem we have is
That is loose.
that little screw right there is our problem.
Okay.
And so this whole thing is loose and wobbly. So now I need to see what kind of,
Little.
and it looks like it's a little Phillips. So
Yeah, where?
the little blue set in there that we got,
The right parts.
well, I did my best to hold that so it didn't move at all, and then you grab it and wiggle it.
I'm good that way. Nothing dainty about me. We know this.
You're wonderful. So
That something fell out.
that screw and that. So I am going to go get some red Loctite that I will put on these threads
Okay.
so that I don't have to take this apart again.
Okay.
If you do not have red Loctite, you could use blue. You could use probably a little dab of like fingernail polish. You don't have to look at me.
Okay.
So I don't know if you want to keep rolling or
You do
pause
that.
while I
If
go
you're
look
going to
for
put
that.
goopy on my counter, I'm going to get you a paper towel. All right.
Okay. So it is not actual Loctite. It is Permatex thread locker. Assuming I can get the bottle open. And this stuff stinks to high heavens too, by the way.
It's red. Not blue.
No. The blue does not hold quite as tight.
Oh.
Okay, I was putting pressure down to keep from rounding out the screw and tightened it
It does
pretty
stink.
tight.
Ew. Just got a whiff of it.
No more wobble wobble.
Hey, cool.
I wasn't paying attention if that was that way or the other way. I'm not sure about it. I think we got it
I
right.
think it looks right.
Can you stop that and rewind it? Or view it?
Okay.
Okay, so Christy's back and she went and reviewed the footage. And after further review, what did we determine, love?
That the pointed thighs down, so you're correct.
Okay, so we did get it in
Yes.
correct.
Correct.
All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and slide it back together. The battery is right here. We're not replacing it. These are actually really quite new. I mean, it's just like just out of warranty. I think we've had them just over a year. So if you want to replace the battery, they're soldered in. Sonicare tells you can't replace them. Once you get it apart this far, I would assume that you just pop that out. There's the main board's under here. So I'm not going to get involved with taking this battery out, but it should come out pretty easy. It's possible you need to pop these lights off, and it looks like there's probably a couple terminals, some wires going down in there that are soldered the connections on each end of the battery to hold it onto that board. But we're good enough here where we want, so I'm going to slide this back in. And in theory, it should just slide down, and it did click in. That's right back where it's supposed to be. No more wobble. It's nice and snug. And piece. They go together a lot easier than coming apart.
Oh yeah, that's not wobbling at all. Oh yeah, that's much better. They've got multiple settings on these. I forget how to work it. You like yours on the gum care setting. I must have done the softy one.
And she likes it down there on the low setting there. So I think, okay. So, all set.
All right. You're gonna say bye?
Bye.
Thanks for watching.